Unraveling the phrase, "I need some coffee," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a simple yet ubiquitous phrase, "I need some coffee." Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding the nuances of such phrases can significantly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind these words. First, let's dissect "I need some coffee" into its components. This phrase consists of a subject, I, a verb, need, a quantifier, some, and the object of the sentence, coffee. Each word plays a critical role in conveying the speaker's desire or necessity for coffee. But there's more to it than just the basic meaning. Let's delve deeper. The verb, need, is powerful and conveys a sense of necessity or requirement. When someone says they need something, it implies a strong desire or an essential requirement, not just a casual want. This distinction is crucial in everyday conversations as it helps to prioritize needs over wants. The word, some, in this context is quite interesting. It's a quantifier that can mean a small amount or an unspecified quantity. When we say, some coffee, we're not specifying how much coffee we want. It could be a cup, a few sips, or maybe even a pot. It adds a degree of vagueness that is often used in casual, everyday speech. Now, let's explore the cultural significance of the phrase. In many cultures, coffee is not just a beverage, it's a ritual, a start to the morning, or a break from the day's activities. Saying, "I need some coffee," can also imply a need for a break, a moment of relaxation, or the comfort associated with the drink. Furthermore, variations of the phrase like, "I could use a coffee," or "I'm in the mood for coffee," can soften the statement, making it sound less like a necessity and more like a desire. Understanding how to use "I need some coffee" can be quite handy in various conversational scenarios. Whether you're at a cafe, at work, or with friends, this phrase can express your desire for coffee, signify the need for a break, or even serve as a conversation starter. Practice using it in different contexts to master its nuances. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "I need some coffee." We hope this deep dive has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you insight into the subtleties of English language usage. Remember, every phrase has its layers, and understanding these can significantly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy learning, and maybe it's time for you to enjoy some coffee too.